We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive expert overview of the Halloween Skull Goth knit beanie hats for men and women by Iconacy. This beanie has attracted attention for its unique gothic and emo style, featuring an embroidered skull design that adds a punk edge to a practical winter accessory. It is marketed as a unisex adult hat, suitable for both men and women, and is designed to be a cool gift for occasions such as birthdays, Christmas, or Halloween. The product has been available since February 19, 2025, and holds a respectable ranking in the clothing category on Amazon, particularly among men's scullies and beanies. Starting with the design, the beanie stands out with its detailed skull embroidery, which is both stylish and edgy, appealing to those who enjoy gothic and emo fashion. The embroidery is well crafted, avoiding cheap plastic decals in favor of a more durable and visually appealing stitch design. This gives the hat a distinctive look that users frequently praise for being both cool and unique. The gothic skull motif is subtle enough to wear casually, but bold enough to make a statement, making it a versatile accessory for winter outfits. The material used for the beanie is 100% high-quality acrylic knit, which offers a good balance between warmth and breathability. Customers have noted that the fabric is soft and comfortable with no itchiness, which is a common issue with many knit hats. The elasticity of the knit allows the beanie to stretch and fit snugly on various head sizes without feeling tight or loose. This stretchability ensures that it stays in place during wear, providing consistent warmth and comfort. Many users have highlighted the beanie's excellent fit. It is designed to accommodate different head shapes and sizes, making it a great unisex option. The snug fit also helps retain heat effectively, which is essential for colder weather. Several reviewers mentioned that it kept their heads warm even in chilly conditions, making it a practical choice for winter use. The beanie is also lightweight, which adds to the comfort factor, allowing for extended wear without discomfort. In terms of quality, the stitching and overall construction are well regarded. The seams are neat and durable, suggesting that the beanie will withstand regular use without falling apart. This durability is important for a winter accessory that may be worn daily. The quality also extends to the embroidery, which remains intact and vibrant after washing, according to user feedback. The beanie's ability to maintain its shape and appearance over time is a significant advantage. Performance-wise, the beanie excels at providing warmth and style simultaneously. It is suitable for outdoor activities during the colder months, including casual outings, Halloween events, and even as a fashion statement in everyday wear. The combination of warmth, comfort, and gothic aesthetic makes it popular among fans of alternative fashion. Additionally, the beanie's design makes it an excellent gift option, especially for those who appreciate unique and edgy accessories. Several customers purchased it as a Christmas stocking stuffer or birthday present, noting the recipient's delight with both the look and feel of the hat. On the downside, while the beanie is generally well received, a few users have expressed minor concerns. Some wished for a slightly thicker knit for even more insulation during extremely cold weather. Others mentioned that the skull design, while attractive, might not suit everyone's taste, particularly those looking for a more subtle winter hat. However, these points are subjective and depend largely on personal style preferences and climate conditions. Overall, the Halloween Skull Goth Knit Beanie by Iconacy is a well-made, stylish, and comfortable winter hat that appeals to a niche market of gothic and emo fashion enthusiasts. Its high-quality acrylic knit fabric ensures warmth and softness without itchiness, while the embroidered skull design adds a unique and edgy flair. The beanie fits well on various head sizes, making it a versatile unisex accessory. Durability and craftsmanship are notable, with users reporting satisfaction with the stitching and longevity of the embroidery. If you are looking for a winter beanie that combines fashion with function, especially if you enjoy gothic or alternative styles, this beanie is worth considering. It also makes a thoughtful gift for friends or family members who appreciate distinctive and cozy winter accessories. We encourage you to check the product link in the description to support the channel and explore purchasing options. If you already own the Halloween Skull Goth Knit Beanie, please leave your review in the comments below. Your experience will help others make informed decisions and contribute to a richer understanding of this product's performance and style. Sharing your thoughts on fit, comfort, warmth, and design will be invaluable to the community. In conclusion, this beanie successfully blends style and practicality. It stands out in the crowded market of winter hats due to its unique skull embroidery and comfortable fit. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from users worldwide underscores its appeal and quality. Whether for yourself or as a gift, it is a solid choice for those seeking a cool, warm, and well-crafted beanie for the colder months.